Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear Edge cache or Edge browser cache on cookies. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Edge browser. Once you open the Edge browser, locate and click on the three dots at the top right. Then scroll down, locate and click on settings. Once you selected settings, locate and click on privacy, search and services. Now click on clear browsing data. Then spot that says delete browsing data. Then come down to where you see time range and select your time range. So in this case, I'm going to go for all time. Now once selected the time range, scroll down, click on clear now. You should see the browsing data deleted. And again, you can just use Ctrl Shift plus delete button on your keyboard to delete the browsing data or cache on the Edge browser. Then on the page, click on delete. Alternatively, you can also copy and paste this directory on the browser where you see Edge, settings, clear browsing data, click on enter. Then to go ahead and click on choose what to clear. Then select what to clear and then the time range. Then click on clear now. And that's it. So that's exactly how to clear Edge cache or Edge cache and cookies. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.